Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about the head element. Head element which starts from this keyword head, and will also discuss some of the common elements, few of the common elements which are usually inside the head element. So I'll go to the Sublime text, and so here we have this head element just after the HTML element. Usually uh, just out of the HTML element we have head element. And one element inside head element I would like to talk, which I have talked earlier as well, is a title element. Title element gives you uh, the title just above the address bar of the web page. I'll show you where it appears. So if you see here, this one is the title. This one where my mouse cursor is there. This is the title which I have kept here. If I change it, if I change it to title 1, save it, and you'll find the title has changed to first title 1. So that's where the title appears, and that's how we give the title element inside the head element. Another element which is worth mentioning is the style element. So style element basically tells our uh, code, tells the web that what should be the look of my content. It defines the look of my content, and if we can use style element inside head element, and we can give the colors and alignment, etc. I'll explain more about style element in a separate video. As of now, you can just understand that we can give style element inside head element. So, and see, I've given h1 heading color of h1 heading red, and color of paragraph blue. So if you see here, see the color of first heading is red here, and the paragraph color is blue. So that's what style element does. Then we have this base element. Now base element basically gives a default link to which my web will go. If my in whatever links I have given, whatever hypertext I have given inside my web page, the default link would be this. And of course, if that link is working and everything is fine, that will go to that particular link which is given in that particular hypertext. But in case of default, in case that link doesn't work or anything, then it can go to this link. Target also, if I want the page to be blank, I can make target is equal to blank. So I'll explain this more in more detail. And there of course other options apart from blank, like top, parent, and then self. So I'll explain all this stuff in another video. This is just for introduction, that what kind of elements we can use inside head element. So then we have this link element, and this basically tells us that if basically gives us the link to any external resource or external CSS sheet. In this case, for example, that the style sheet, for example, is a separate external sheet, and this is the link. So here we can link my external resource to this document. For example, here we are linking a CSS external resource to this element. I'll explain this more in further videos and in my CSS tutorial. Then we have this meta tag, meta element, where we will define the information about the data in this web page. So what kind of data is, what is the char set, what are the keywords, description, who's the author of the HTML page, all that stuff I'll find in this meta uh, tag, in this meta element. And this won't appear, this won't be seen in the page, but this is basically the information about the data inside the web element. So I'll explain it more again then in further videos. Then we have script and non-script tags. Script tag is basically connecting, basically it is basically running the script, JavaScript, if I want to, in my web page. And sometimes if it is not embedded inside the script is not embedded inside the my HTML tag, then it gives you the link of the JavaScript page, JavaScript file inside the script tag. Otherwise, a lot of times they write script inside the script tag itself. So either way, we need script tag. Then we have this no script tag, and no script tag basically gives the message, or gives the alternative to a situation where a script tag is being disabled by the user. So if the script tag is being disabled by the user, then no script tag will work, and whatever content inside this no script tag is there, that will come into action. So yeah, these are the basic major tags which can come, major elements which can come inside the head element, and we'll discuss these individual elements one by one in further videos. So yeah, thank you.